Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a marble die pattern for your candles. Here's what you'll need to get started. Dye color of choice. In this video I'm using blue. Fragrance oil of choice. In this video I'm using black vanilla and oud. Melted wax. And a wooden stick. In this video, I'm using a disposable chopstick. This process works best using a clear vessel. First, you're going to pour a small amount of wax into your vessel. Then you're going to add 1 to 2 drops of dye on the stick, dip it in the wax, and swirl it around to spread the dye. Now, pick up your vessel and rotate it to allow the wax to spread on the sides to create your pattern. The more you rotate and change directions, the more distinct the marbling pattern will appear. Let the marble pattern fully dry. Once it's dry, you will pour the rest of the melted wax like you would when making a standard candle. Let your candle fully cure. Now you have a marbled candle. You can try different techniques like adding multiple colors for the marbling or dyeing the candle wax when pouring it into the vessel. If you have any questions, comment on any of our videos or blog posts and we will guide you further. And don't forget to follow us on our socials. Thanks for watching!